I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make the Heath Ledger Joker and the Joaquin Phoenix Joker in GTA 5 Online, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we want to go and do is head over to any barbershop so we can make our character look similarly to the Joker himself. So for this one, head over to any barbershop around the GTA and we can start off. So first things first, come over to your hairstyles, and for the first one, we want to put on the slicked haircut, which is going to be number 10, and then we want to change the color to a green color, which is going to be number 39. This is the exact color I'm going for right here. So go and put on the slicked haircut with number 39 green, and now go ahead and put it on, and it should look kind of, it's going to start looking like the Joker a little, not too close. So your character should look something like this now. Next up, we want to come over to the face paints, and once here, we want to go and put on the Sorrow Demon. Now, keep in mind, the Sorrow Demon only comes out during Halloween, and if you already bought it, then you get to keep it forever. But if you don't own the Sorrow Demon already, you can only get it one time a year, and that's during the Halloween update. Now, if you don't have the Sorrow Demon, you can use the Clowning as the backup if you don't have the Sorrow Demon. Luckily, Halloween is like right around the corner as of the time of recording this video, so you should get it in a few weeks. But if you don't have Sorrow Demon, put on Clowning, okay? But once you have the Sorrow Demon, we want to come over to the makeup, lipsticks, and now we want to come over to the smudged lipstick, which is going to be right here. And make sure you go ahead and put on number 1 color, which is going to be the red, and make sure the opacity is at 100%. And you will see it makes the red line on his lips a lot more vibrant. It shows off a lot more. So go put that on. And now, as you can see, our character is pretty much the Joker right now. All we gotta do now is create the outfit. So now we head over to any clone store and we can start making the 3 outfits. So let's get to it. So the first Joker we're gonna be creating is gonna be the Heath Ledger Joker, which is gonna be this one right here. So we're gonna be trying to recreating this exact outfit in GTA. So head over to any clone store. Once at the clone store, come over to the pants, and once here, come over to suit pants, and now we want to go and put on the purple baggy pants. So keep on scrolling until we find the purple baggy ones. So they're going to be, there we go, right here, purple baggy pants. Now, if you do want to get a slim version, you can come over to the purple slim fits, which are going to be these ones right here. But it kind of doesn't go with this outfit, so we're going to keep the baggy pants. Or you can put on the regular ones that you can find. If you just scroll, you'll find the purple regulars. But for me, I'm going to go with the baggy ones like this one right here. Next up, come over here to the tops, and once on tops, you're going to want to come over here to the suit jackets, and then once on suit jackets, come all the way at the end, and we want to look for the purple jacket, okay? It's going to be right around here. There it is, the purple jacket. Go ahead and put this one here on. After you have the purple jacket on, go ahead and back out the suit jackets, come all the way to the end, and now we want to come over to suit vests, and here we want to go with the olive suit vest, which is going to be this one right here. So this is the vest we're going to go for. Now, sadly, you cannot change the white shirt that is under it for some reason. Don't blame me, blame Rockstar. It would have been better if we could have changed it to like another color, but we got to stick with the white one because we can't change it. But come over to the shoes, and now we want to come over to the smart shoes, and then once here, you want to go ahead and put on these brown Oxfords. Okay, so these are the shoes that we're going to be putting on. Now, if you don't like these ones, you can put on any different type of shoe that you like. Now, for me personally, I like the Oxfords. They look a little better in my opinion, but yeah, you can change the shoes however way you want. You don't have to go specifically these ones, okay? But these are the ones I put on, the chocolate Oxfords. After that, we want to come over to the accessories so we can put on the tie and the gloves. So come over to the accessories right over here. And then first things first, we're going to go with the tie. Now, sadly, you cannot put on an actual tie on this exact vest for some reason, so we only got bow ties. If you want to put on a bow tie, you can put it on, or if you don't want to, then don't put it on. For me, I am going to put on the purple bow tie because it kind of goes with the tuxedo a little more, so it makes it look a little better in my opinion, better than nothing on the vest shirt. But yeah, that's me right there. You can keep it or don't put it on. And next up, come over to the gloves, and you can put on one of these two. You can put on the black leather gloves, or you can put on the black driving gloves. All the other gloves, they really don't go with the Joker fit. They're more like military, but the last two, the black leather gloves or the black driving gloves, is like the perfect ones. But for me, I'm just gonna stick with the black leather gloves because it looks similar to the one gloves that he's wearing in the picture. So this is the outfit done, and this is like the comparison right here. Now, I know it's not 100% exactly similar to the one that I showed, but this is the closest I can get to it in GTA 5 Online. If you want an exact one, talk to Rockstar Games, not me, okay? But that's the first one done. Now let's get on to the second outfit. Now the next outfit we're gonna be making is gonna be the Joaquin Phoenix Joker, which is gonna be this one right here. So it's pretty much iconic at this point, so that's the one we're gonna be making, and let's get into it. So we want to come over to the pants right over here, come over to suits pants, and now we want to go and put on the red slim fits. They're going to be called the lobster slim fit, which are going to be right over here. These are the exact pants we want to go ahead and put on. Once you have this on, go ahead and back out of it, and now come over to the tops. Once on the tops, we want to come over to the suit jackets, which is going to be the third option right over here. Once here, we want to go and put on the red jacket, which is going to be at the very end. And here it is, the red sports jacket or coat. Now you can keep the open one, or you can put on the closed one, but for me the open one kind of goes with the one on the staircase outfit, so we're going to go with the open jacket. Now come over to suit vests, and then once here, now we want to go ahead and put on one of these three, okay? Now there's not the exact yellow vest that he's wearing in the movie, so you can put on the cream suit vest, which is the one I'm gonna put on, or you can put on the vintage or the brown suit vest, or if you want to, you can put on the green one, but this is all your preference, or you can just go with the same one I'm going with, which is the cream suit vest. But for you, I would say at this point it's personal preference, since we don't have the exact same yellow one, okay? But I'm going with the cream vest. Now come over here to the shoes, and then once on shoes, come over to smart shoes, okay? For these ones, we're gonna go with the patchy shoes. I'm gonna show you what I mean. They're gonna be right around here. Let me find them real quick. So they're gonna be right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and put on these ones right here, the brown tip Oxfords. These are the exact ones. Now they kind of look similar to the one from the movie, since his are kind of like two-tone, I guess. So we're gonna go with those shoes right there. And now all we gotta do is come over to the accessories, so we can remove the gloves from the last outfit real quick. So let me just go ahead and do that. Or first, let me go and put on the tie. Now I'm gonna go with the green tie because it kind of makes that the outfit stand out a little more. And yeah. Or if you don't want the tie, just take it off completely and just take off the gloves as well, and that's done with the Joaquin Phoenix Joker. So there's a comparison right there up on screen. This is the closest I can get it to the Joaquin Phoenix Joker in GTA. So let's go ahead and now make the third and final Joker outfit. For the last and final Joker outfit, we're going to be creating the Heath Ledger Joker from the prison scene. So this is how it looks like. We're going to try and recreate this outfit right here in GTA. So first things first, head over to the pants. Once at the pants, we want to come over to the suit pants, and then once here, we want to go and put on the purple regular pants, okay? So this is what they look like right over here. Go and put these ones on. If you want to put on the baggy or the slim fit, go ahead, put them on, but personally for me, I'm going to go with these ones right here. Next up for the tops, we want to go over to the vest, which is going to be right over here, and we want to go and put on the olive check vest, and it's going to be this one right here. Here we go, olive check vest. Now I know it's not 100% exactly the same, but we'll go with this one. Now come over to the vest shirt, and we want to go and put on the pale blue shirt, which is this one right here. It looks really identical to the same exact one that he's wearing. A little, just no long sleeve, okay? But yeah, put this one here on, and now we can move on to the shoes. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and change up the shoes. Now really, for me, in my opinion, I'm not gonna be changing the shoes at all. I'm just gonna keep the same exact ones from the Joaquin Phoenix. But for you, if you want to, you can change them up to anything you want. But for me, I'm just gonna keep them with the same exact ones that I had on the Joaquin Phoenix Joker. And yeah, so for you, just put in whatever. So once you put on some shoes that you like, or kept the same exact ones that we had from the last outfit, all we gotta do now is go ahead and put on the tie. So come over to the accessories, and then once here on accessories, come over to ties, which is going to be right here. And now we want to go ahead and put on the purple tie, okay? So it's going to be right over here. Now if you don't like it, you don't have to put it on, or you can put on a different color tie, but the one I'm going to put on is going to be the purple skinny tie number 29. Go ahead and put this one here on, and after that, we are pretty much done. So this is the Heath Ledger Joker from the prison scene. This is a comparison right here, and if you want to check out 5 clothing glitches you can do right now in GTA 5 Online, watch this video right here and take care.